Working on this, Johnson Evinrude 28 SPL like an idiot. Broke the barb off of this the fuel pump. So I want to put the boat in the water this weekend. So what I decided, just ground this down flush where the barb used to be. Drilled it out, and had an old carburetor from a 9.8. I just cut this piece off. I'm gonna try to slip that in there. In there and epoxy it in place, let it cure for a few hours, maybe until tomorrow. And we'll see how that works. Be back with an update. So that's how it looks. The hole's clogged up, but once it cures, I'll just run a drill bit through here just to open that hole back up. A little bit shorter than I'd like it, but it might be long enough just to, catch that hose on there, clamp it on. All right, wish me luck. All right, so here we go. It's been about 8 hours since I put the epoxy on there. It's cured nice and hard, and it seemed to have bonded really well with the plastic, that material. It's really hard to separate it from the plastic. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna drill that out, get that, clear that passageway, and we'll close it up and test it for leaks. So that's what it looks like after I drilled it out. That's it. Let's see how that works. So far we're looking good. Just primed the bulb, got fuel up into the lines, nothing leaking. Battery's dead, so we're gonna have to pull start this baby. In case you didn't know, if you're out on the lake and your battery dies, this flywheel is made for, you can put a rope here, right where this notch is, and like this. Just got a rope like this, make a knot, put that right in there, and just wrap it around once. Just holding the phone here, so I'm working with one hand. Wrap that around right there, and just pull. Let me see if I can set this down here somewhere.